This mini butterfly works up fast. And before we finish the video, I'll show you how to turn it into a keychain. Let's get started. I'll be using medium weight cotton yarn, a 4mm hook, scissors, yarn needle, and a key ring, but this is optional. The first step is to make a magic ring. I'll demonstrate my preferred method step by step, but if you're not comfortable with a magic ring, you can use the chain 4 method, slip stitch to make a circle, and work all the stitches in that formed circle. This is my magic ring. Add another chain so that we start with 2 chains. Make 2 double crochets. Insert the hook under these 2 strands. This is the second double crochet. Next, make 2 half double crochets. Then 2 single crochets. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the magic ring. Chain 3. Make 2 double crochets. Then 2 treble crochets. then 1 double treble crochet. Chain 5. Slip stitch into the magic ring. This is one side of the butterfly, so we are going to mirror everything we have done to make the second part of the butterfly. Chain 5. Make 1 double treble crochet. Then 2 treble crochets. Then 2 double crochets. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the magic ring. Chain 2. Make 2 single crochets. Then 2 half double crochets. then 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the magic ring. And then chain 1 and pull the loop. I'm going to pull the tail end to close the magic ring. Pull while organizing the stitches. Cotton has a little way to eat, so the butterfly has a better drape. You can also use acrylic yarn, but your butterfly may turn out softer and less structured. Cut the yarn. Then pull to tighten. Weave in the tail ends using a yarn needle. I'm going to use the black yarn to make the antennae. Make a slip knot, then chain 20. Cut the yarn. Pull through to tighten. Make a knot on each side of the chain, but the knot should be closer to the chain. Fold the chain into half. I tie twice. Cut the excess yarn above the knots. You can stop here, but if you want to make a keychain, then I'll show you that briefly. For the keychain, you need 2 identical butterflies, a chain of 12, and a long strand of yarn, which should be the same color as the chain. Place the two butterflies together with the wrong sides facing each other. Place the yarn strand and leave a reasonable tail at the top. Wrap neatly on both sides. Fold the chain into half and place it on top. Then wrap around it, or you can tie a knot to hold it in place. Attach the keyring at the top and tie a knot. Weave in the excess tails. This is our finished keychain. You can add any other accessories as you wish along this wrapped yarn. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beginner-friendly projects which are quick and easy to complete. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.